Hi, so today we're looking at the Google Maps app. Here I've downloaded it for Android. If you haven't already done so, go ahead in the Google Play Store and download it. Let's take a quick look at the settings here in the top left. You can see you've got a timeline, your contributions, messages, location sharing and start driving. You've also got the option here for offline maps. We'll look at how to download offline maps a little bit later. You've also got option to view Google Earth. There's also a few tips and tricks which are quite useful. Click into that when you've got some time and take a look. Now go into your places. Here you can set a home or work address. You can go into either one of these options and set an address by either speaking to Google Maps or by manually searching on the map. You can also edit your save addresses and add them to your favourites list and also share them with your contacts. I'll just type in a destination. For example, I use Peace Pagoda in Milton Keynes and see how well Google Maps responds to my request. Okay, so it's loaded a map and displays some useful information about my destination. It tells me the distance, how long it will roughly take me, and also gives me the options to call my destination as well as share the route with my contacts. Up here on the right you can change the type of map that's displayed. Currently it's set to the default map, but there's also various options. For now I'll leave it set to the default. Right, let's load the directions. Now straight away you can see Google presents you with an option to download your route and also make it available offline. This is a great feature and I've made use of it many times when travelling. Down here you've got the option to show a step-by-step route with the best travel time. You've also got the ability to switch back to the map view. Up here Google lets you plan your travel by using different methods like by foot, by train or motor vehicle. I find this useful as not many other sat-nav apps allow you to use these options. Now here you've got some further options to add a stop, either load other routes or share your route and location. You can add a stop during your travels by entering it here. You've also got options to avoid motorways, tolls and ferries. When choosing to add a stop, Google Maps creates an entry for your stop here. Let's just put a stop in and see how Google Maps responds. It's loaded my route with my stop in between and shows me my planned route, as well as displaying speed cameras along the journey. Google offers you to share your journey in many ways. Let's just go back a few steps and take a look at some of these options. I'll now click download offline map and Google will start to download it. Once the download is complete, Google Maps will save it in the offline map section in your settings. Okay, let's go back to our directions and start the route. Google Maps has started up and shows me a clear map of my route. The camera locations are about 98% accurate as I know these cameras exist in these spots. The sound icon up here allows you to enable or disable Google's voice. If you drag this section up, you'll have the options to share your trip progress, view manual directions, show or hide traffic on the map. The setting button takes you back to your navigation settings, where you'll be able to change Google's language and sound levels. Let's just take a quick look.
This is what it will sound like when navigating with Google Maps.
Tu destino estará a la derecha.
Your destination will be on the right.
If you scroll further down, you'll have the choice of day and night display. Also the option to change the unit from kilometers to miles. I'll leave these set as default for now. I've used other navigation apps before, but what I really like about Google Apps is the ability to minimize it when exiting the app for whatever reason. Sometimes you might want to use another app simultaneously, and Google Maps allows you to do this by running this minimized version until you're ready to display it in full mode. If you like this video or found it useful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.